In today's video, I will be making a fall welcome sign using these two Dollar Tree signs. If you guys like DIYs and home decor on a budget, make sure you subscribe. Also, please hit that thumbs up if you like this video. So first, I am just going to disassemble these signs. Now, even though I will be using the back of these signs for the front of my welcome sign, I still wanted to remove the paper from the front. I then lightly sanded down the pieces to help it absorb the stain a little better. Now I wanted to remove the points of the arrows, and I easily did this just by scoring it with a razor blade. Next, I gave it a few coats of this Minwax stain. I used the color Jacobson. Now I'm just going to line the pieces up, and I'm laying them stain side down in order to attach them using these large popsicle sticks which you can pick up from the craft store, and I also chose to use some Gorilla Glue. Once the glue was dry, I used this stencil, which I believe I picked up from the Home Depot, to write out the word welcome just using some white craft paint. This is the part I consider the fun part of the project. I just used a mixture of Dollar Tree and Walmart florals, as well as a few pumpkins that I already had to decorate the top of the sign. Now when I did this, I wanted it to kind of be wispy on the edges, so I worked from the outside and worked my way into the center. And then wherever I saw things that looked bare, I just added in little pieces of leaves or florals. Now in order to make this welcome sign hang, I used this Dollar Tree ribbon. I just folded in the ends of a piece and I hot glued it, and then folded those together and hot glued it again. Now, if you would like more fall DIY inspiration, please check out these other videos, and thank you guys so much for watching.